You're listening to Mentoring Developers. So I can see two reasons why somebody would take time out of their family life and whatever they were going to do. Normally, you'd just go have some downtime. You'd give that up. You go to an event, perhaps a meetup, perhaps a conference. I see, in my opinion, there are two ways or two reasons why somebody would do that. One is to learn, because maybe you don't learn from books well, or maybe this is just a better way to learn, like you're saying. The other one would be to promote yourself so that people know who you are and create some opportunities for yourself.
Right.
You think as a new developer, maybe for the first couple of years, are you suggesting they just focus on learning and just absorbing whatever they can and then worry about promotion later? Or do you suggest they should promote themselves at all?
I'd say both. If you can stomach the interaction and putting yourself forward like that. It was a really difficult thing for me to do back in those days. I was incredibly nervous going to any of these events. I felt like I didn't belong there. I felt like, why should anybody want to talk to me? I'm just some little, junior level developer working in a manufacturing company, and here are people from all these great companies that I've heard of and doing really cool things, so I think there's a lot of value in going there to learn about something new, to get the exposure so that you see the potential and see the new things that people are talking about. But I also think there's a lot of value in the networking side of things, just starting to talk to people. And if I could give myself advice, 15 years ago, I would tell myself to thank the people that were running the events first, just to walk up to them and to say thank you and tell them how much I enjoyed the event, and even to walk up to the speakers afterwards and just say thank you and just start that kind of interaction with people on a regular basis. Because once you start talking to someone and you say thank you to the same person that's organizing the meetup a number of times, eventually they recognize you and they know that you're a person who shows up on a regular basis, and they see the interest that you have in improving your own efforts, your own career, and being a part of the community. And, that creates a bond between you and the organizer, because they see how much interest you have, and that will inevitably turn into good things. You will create friendships and relationships, both professionally and potentially even outside of the professional arena, just, friendships and otherwise. And you can dramatically improve your own career by putting yourself forward just to say thank you, and make sure that the people that are running these things know how important it was to you that they are running these things.
I think this is really valuable, because a lot of developers, let's face it, they're introverts. And we don't really like to, show our emotions. We don't like to share our thoughts because of whatever fears we have. But the good thing about this situation is we're all introverts.
Right.
So you're not going to a sales meetup, right? Where there are a lot of salespeople and you're awkward. No, we're all awkward. So it's okay.